Michael Muafi.
Your name?
Carlos Medina.
All right. Today's the date scheduled for a small claims hearing. Did you get this work done by somebody else?
No. Just him.
Today is the date scheduled for a small claims hearing. Each of you have the right to have the case removed to the General Civil Division. This is small claims. If you proceed in the small claims division, you're giving up rights. Plaintiff, you're giving up the right to seek in excess of $7,000. Both parties are giving up the right to appeal my decision, to hire a lawyer, and demand a trial by jury. You don't have to give up those rights. If you want to preserve any one or more of those rights, just tell me. I will remove the case to the General Civil Division, in which case you can appeal my decision if you don't like it. You can hire a lawyer if you want to. You can demand a trial by jury, and to the extent that plaintiff might be entitled to it, you can seek in excess of $7,000. Do you understand everything I just said, Mr. Malafi?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Medina Cartagena?
Yes.
Do you wish to give up those rights and proceed here, or you wish to have the case removed? Mr. Malafi?
I'd like to continue here.
You waive those rights?
Yes.
Mr. Medina Cartagena? Yes, what?
Yes, I would like to continue.
You waive those rights?
Yes.
John. 30 seconds or so. Raise your right hands, gentlemen. Either one of you have a witness? Anybody? Yep. No? No? Raise your right hands. You solemnly swear to affirm the testimony you'll give in these proceedings will be the whole true self you got.
So,
Okay. I don't understand. So it says defendant was hired contracted to renovate 2 bathrooms, raise existing vanity, and paint it white for both bathrooms. He was paid through Zelle $8,000 and has since abandoned the project. I sent a demand letter wanting to resolve this matter out of court. However, the defendant has continued to ignore my attempts to resolve the issue. So did you paid him $8,000?
yes, I did.
You agreed that he paid you $8,000?
Yes, sir.
Was the contract, how much was the contract for? For him to perform this work? Do you have a written contract, gentlemen?
So we have something that is signed for me to sign.
Did you sign it?
Yes, I did.
Hand it up. And what does that say? Sir, how much is the contract price?
So it was, so we were trying to do more work. So we're doing the 2 bathrooms and later on we're to do the basement. So we agreed on $8,000 to do both bathrooms.
Wait a minute. I don't know what this means. He's got basement, bathroom.
Sorry, Your Honor.
Hang on. Let me just talk. Summer project 2026, 1,800. Is it right that that's not included in this portion? Master bathroom room, 5,000. Guest or kids bathroom, 1,800. So was the contract for 6,800?
Yes. Plus material. I bought the material.
Why would you guys sign something on contract to perform work that you're not even going to start until this summer? Right? Gentlemen, here's what I need you to do. How much do you think you completed the work? Yes or no?
Okay, I need to speak something that he gave me. That's not the invoice, correct? And he did not sign. So the invoice is actually the one I gave him last, which was $6,800.
Okay.
And that I have all the payments through the invoice from this invoice, not from that one. And that sign, that signature came from him after, not from the system. So the actual, it was a master bathroom and the kids' bathroom.
Right. I mean, it's pretty clear that that's what you guys were.
Pictures of the master bathroom finished. The
Hang
only
on,
thing I didn't put
hang
was
on,
the shower door.
hang on. Hang on. It's pretty clear that's what you guys were doing. 5,000, you got 5,000.
For the master bathroom.
I know, and 1,800 on the kids' bed, right?
Yeah.
Okay. He gave you 8,000. Let me see your invoice. It's just on a phone?
We have everything digital. Same thing with the receipts of the Home Depot, everything I purchased. Because he gave me 2,000 at the beginning was for material. So the 8,000 was 6,800 plus the 2,000.
He only gave you 8,000 though.
Yeah, but the 2,000 was for the material. I have all the receipts that was sent to his house.
I know. So are you saying he's light by $800?
That's what the system says.
Your Honor, I have all the money that I sent to him.
Wait a minute.
Yeah.
But you agree that you sent him 8,000, right?
Right. Yes.
And he's saying that you owed 6,800. Let me see. You guys, okay, good enough. So $8,000 defendant or plaintiff sent defendant. Defendant says he's entitled to 8,800, right? So 800 more, right? You completed the work, right? You completed the master bath, you're telling me, in the guest room, right?
No, the guest bathroom was never.
How much work do you think you did?
We never started the guest bathroom because we came into this situation.
All right. Did he complete the master bathroom?
He did not.
Did you get an estimate as to how much it would take to complete the master bathroom?
It was word of mouth. He said probably about a week he'll be able to be done.
Wait, slow down. Keep your voice up. I'm asking if you got an estimate from somebody else.
No, I haven't.
Well, how are you going to prove a case here? I don't know how much work he did toward the master bathroom.
I have pictures.
I know. But listen, you show me pictures, that's fine. I'm not going to sit here and say it would take another 2,200 or 1,400 or 3,900 to complete the master bathroom. You're going to have the master bathroom completed, right? Or not?
Yes. We'll have it done. Right now, it's not operable.
Right now, it's not
Yes,
one?
It's not operable. I've never used it. But since he did the work, I cannot.
Well, that's what, but here's what I'm trying to tell you nicely. I'm not saying you did or didn't complete it, Mr. Medina Cartagena. I'm not saying you did or didn't. I am saying that you need to have somebody else come in. Because you agree that you didn't complete the master bedroom, right?
I completed the shower. Which,
I didn't ask you that. I did not ask you that.
Your Honor, we agreed for the shower to be done, not the full bathroom. He knows that. He's giving you a wrong invoice.
Oh, wait a minute. Okay, let me see what you got. Is there a way that we can get this down to you, Jennifer, where you can copy this? I don't want to be looking at
If he can email him from his phone, I can
Go
print
down
it
to
for
the
you.
civil department and she'll tell you how to email it. She can print me out a copy.
Absolutely.
And if you got anything else, email it to her. So you guys go down to the civil department and I'll recopy this. My inclination is, though, if you don't think it was done, completed like he does, but I can tell you this, Mr. Medina, this invoice, the old one, and I'm not saying it's part of the new invoice that you're going to go down and print off or email the civil department. It does say install new vanity double sink, add 2 water supply, install shower door, install 2 lights in shower, change exhaust fan and mirror update. Maybe the new one doesn't have it. Go down the hall if you would, please. Email it to her and you guys come back, okay? I think I'm going to end up telling you we need to adjourn this so you can get another contractor out to give you an estimate as to how much, if he didn't complete it, that it would take to complete it, right?
Yes.
Okay, so go down and do that. Either way, come on back up here, okay? Young, Michael Ramothi versus Carlos Medina Cartagena, 2504565. Everybody's name.
Carlos Medina Catran.
Michael Marty.
Do you guys want to go and try and talk, or do you want me to adjourn this and you can get an estimate and bring everybody in, and the contractor can tell me what he didn't do, and you can tell me what he didn't do, Mr. Mawathi, and you can tell me whatever you want if it's true. You know, you completed the project, 90% completed the project, or do you two want to go out in the hallway and try to resolve this? It's up to you.
Your Honor, I've tried to do that.
Okay.
and
Well,
I'll
well,
try to-
I'm going to adjourn it. I'm going to give you an opportunity. I want to keep these papers here. Jennifer, I don't know what I'm
Judge,
gonna.
I kept a copy for
Perfect.
for us to scan in.
So can I keep these or not?
Yes.
All right. I'm going to keep these papers. Actually, I'm going to put them on the back of the register just so I can
Okay.
have them next time. We're going to adjourn this. How long do you think it'll take you to get a contractor out and to take a look, Mr. Malathi?
I think 14 days I'll be able to do that.
Well, let's give you more time than that. I mean, maybe you have more success getting contractors out than I do. Let's adjourn it a month, Jennifer.
Can I comment?
Yeah,
From the paperwork he just provided, that he sent the court.
Yeah.
Paperwork.
Yeah.
One of the things I see they're missing is that he pulled out the.
okay, we're not gonna go into this because
Yes.
there's
No,
no way I can resolve this today.
Yes. I just wanted to comment that.
You can comment on that next time. Let me just adjourn it a month.
Okay.
Plaintiff to get contractor bid, and we'll go from there. Can you give me a date in February?
Yes, Your
Jennifer?
Honor. We can do February 24th.
No, I don't need to go that far. We're
That
not
far?
going.
Okay, then 10th.
February 10th. And that'll be at what time?
I'm looking here. That would be at 10.
All right. And if you have pictures, you're going to give me an estimate as to how much you think you still had to complete. Okay, fair enough. And you're going to give me a breakdown, both of them, as to how much. Let me just double check something here. I mean, if you agree you didn't do the kid's bathroom at all, right? So he didn't.
You didn't get to start, so.
All right, we'll see you guys back on that day. Okay? Bring any witnesses you want, but I need that estimate from a contractor, and I want him to be present.
Yes.
He can be present on Zoom. I don't have a problem with that if he's busy or she's busy, whoever it is. All right?
All right. Thank you.
Thank you both, gentlemen. We'll see you in 3 weeks or so. Good luck.